Hello everyone, our big data analytics project is big data analytics from Uber. This is our group project mentor is Manisha Joshi and these are group members. This is the content problem statement. Our problem statement is to dealing with the great attention in cab rides, collection of that huge amount of data that contains some hidden information, use of different data processing and visualization technique, and eventually finding out the knowledge of the purpose of the rides. This is the flowchart. In the flowchart, our first step is data acquisition, in which we will be collecting the data from Kaggle website. Using that data set, we'll be doing the data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we'll be doing data cleaning first. After doing the data clean, when the data is clean, then we'll proceed with data analysis, in which we'll be doing data visualization with the help of Power BI and trying different purposes to finding different purpose of the right. Implementation. In implementation, we'll be using our database of Uber rides across different countries like Sri Lanka, UAE, Pakistan, Australia, and some countries of North America and Europe from the website Kaggle. And then we'll be doing the data processing in Microsoft Excel using Power Query. And finally, we'll do data visualization using Power BI. This data visualization results. This pie chart shows the purpose of using override, and as you can see, according to our data set, this shows us that the purpose meeting has been used the most in the overrides, while the reason of purpose commute has been used the least. This is a map showing the start and stop location of various rides across different countries, and according to this map, we can clearly see that Uber rides are mostly used in North America is in much higher rate. This is a bar graph showing the category of various rides, which clearly shows us that the purpose of a ride in business is much more than personal. This is an area chart showing the relation between the purpose of the drive and miles in distance. That is the distance of the Uber ride. And according to this chart, it clearly shows that in meeting the miles of the ride was very large, and then it slowly decreases and it goes on like that. This is a line and clustered column chart showing the relation between category purpose and miles. According to this, we can clearly see that in meeting the distance driven was more and the rides were most, but there was a sudden decrease, even though in meal and entertain the rides were more but the distance was less, and then it slowly decreases to errand, and then suddenly there's a spike in customer visit even though the ride is less but the distance is more, and then even it suddenly decreases in temporary site, and it goes on like that. This is a bar graph showing the number of rides according to the start and stop location, and it shows that the location carry has the most number of rides while the location Buttrose has. Conclusion. At the end of this Uber big data analysis process, we studied how to do data processing and data visualization using Excel and Power Query to plot various types of visualization. Finally, we made the visualization of various countries that provided us with the details of various rides from them. With this, we conclude how people use Uber for different purposes. Thank you.